And they're just laying in that hole. Got a fish on. One of them little dagger teeth. Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's a little spot that Jimmy told us to try. We're just right here on the side of the road, gonna throw in this little canal and see what's biting in here. There's definitely some fish in here. I don't see any very big fish, but there are a million fish right here. Boy, you gotta watch that power line right there.
Oh my gosh, look at all the lures on it.
Yep.
There you go.
Got a fish on.
For speckled. That's a good one. It's speckled.
Yep, speckled trout. First fish of the day.
Probably a keeper too, isn't it?
Got them little dagger teeth. I don't know what the size on these is. There's some bigger fish mixed in with these mullet. Not that speckled trout. See if we can find a redfish here too. Another fish on. Another little speckled trout. Nope, that's a white trout. I got another white trout.
You got what?
A white trout. Yeah, I threw him back, but there's a bunch of them 6 and 8 inches long right there in front of you. If you put your bait down there and just wiggle it, you'll see them. They keep coming up and hitting it. They just aren't big enough. That was a good bite right there. They're just not big enough to get these baits, I don't think, but they're close. But yeah, they're right up here where this water's flowing through. Yeah, you'd think there'd be some coming up with this flow like it is right here. You got one on? A little white trout, yep. There's a million of those in there that size too. Oh yeah. I'm on. Nope, I'm off. Nope, that was a little white. He spit it.
That was a pretty good one you caught.
Yeah.
About 12, 13?
Yep. Yeah, 12's the minimum on those specs.
Did it make it, you think?
What's that? I think he made 12, yeah. Yeah, a friend of mine makes the world's best crappie jigs. They're crappie jigs with a 2X strong hook on them. There you go. Oh.
That's a big white too, wasn't it?
Yep.
A little better. Ah!
If you love fishing, please subscribe. That was a good fish, it looked like. Oh, it's a flounder. Probably 12 inches. There might not be here.
Right, check, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I'll check. Yep.
Look at them teeth.
Oh yeah, yeah, he'll get you. No size limit on flounder in Louisiana. Recreational limits 10 per person per day.
That'll be a good one to eat. What do you think?
Stuff him with some crab.
Oh yeah, there's smaller stuff. I better do like this spoon. That's why I learned it.
Well, look, these trout are right underneath us.
Let that fucker almost sink. That's too small.
Yeah, that's a speck. He's got to go back.
Yeah, I mean, I've always caught a flounder down here every year. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Kind of odd to catch a flounder.
But yeah, those trout that size are right here. So Eric's nailing them on these little voodoo shrimp. So I'm about to tie one on and go see if I can get into them too. I was getting them on the other shrimp too, but the magic ones, but I'm gonna go to this, see how it does. It's a little bit smaller. Eric's down here whacking them with the voodoo shrimp. Probably buy that place cheap. That might be a white. Yep. Fish on, fish off. That looked like a pretty good one.
Oh, you got a good one. Out there a little ways. Oh, it does?
There's your one. Oh, it's a ladyfish. Ladyfish, isn't it?
Oh, it's kind of like 30 ago.
Man, I hate when you get a good bite and you don't hook up and they're just laying in that hole. Fish on. A little speckle.
Yeah, speckled. Sucks there's a size limit. It's hard to get a good one right now, dude. I caught a good one out at only one though.
There's a little bit better one.
Ladyfish?
No, that was a white. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. A little bit of white. I got a decent white. A little white.
Yeah, I've only been beat 2 times fishing, like 3 times fishing in my life. By sheer number. All 3 times, you know, it's by a female.
Yeah.
That's the way it goes. Shit. There's another one. The head's got a rattle in it. I got more of those on it.
Yeah, maybe they're picking up the bigger baits now that we know where the hole is.
Well, it's a nice little cooler. I paid $140.
Yep. Yep. Light line.
My favorite one is a 6'6" Avid Series St. Croix. I'll give you some. Just a million up on the side.
Yeah. All right, thanks.
Only $34 again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna reapply.
Oh, it came off. Yep, needlefish. Yeah, try that one. Yeah, we brought up here.
The more current you got, the better it is. For the stack on.
This is the size you're keeping. If you love fishing, please subscribe.